out getting our posters. That exhaust is crazy. All right, so right now we are on the way to getting crepes. We're sort of cruising. That was Marcus over there, and we have Andrew right behind us. Yes, there we go. I tried to make room for Andrew. The other Porsche 986 behind us. Ooh. So far, so good, everybody. Porsche's running all right. The roads here are rough, though. Quite rough. We have Andrew right there behind us. Just chilling. Yeah, so we're taking it right here. Oh, come on. Let's go, America, green light. I just scraped my bumper. That's okay, it happens. Oh, homie's on the scooter. Yeah, it's a rough road here.
Bruh.